Our next option in advanced settings is API log. First of all, what is a log? All action related information when gathered at one place, that place is log. Now, what is API log? An API log is the log when all the actions or APIs when hit gathers at one place. Now, when there is a need to hit API, there is a need to hit API when the user needs to send SMS through software. There are few clients who wants to use SMS services in their software but cannot do so because they lost API with their developers and they do not have source code for the same. They lose link or connection with their developers and so they are not able to change their APIs. At this point of time, we provide IP address or subdomain URL and ask the client to hit single API from their software. As they do so, they reach our server and send SMS, we get their API format. So after that, we ask our developer to either develop same API or change the API. As the application developer cannot change anything because they do not have source code, we provide the best solution to them. Accordingly, the client can then hit APIs and send SMS. Now, as we see the API log from our first drop down, we can check it by username, by date, and by method. From our second drop down, we can search by particular user. Our first column shows the date and time when the API was hit, the username who hit the API, or the type of the API, get type, get API, or post API. Our second column gives the details. We get the authentication key from the second column. Our next column is requested data. Our next column is the response data, and from the last column we get the status of the API. This is how our API log works. Thank you.